All right, guess what, guys? It's 32nd Thursday, and I wanted to test out what it would sound like to put little wind muff things on your GoPro versus, you know, using the media mod or even without them. So, yeah, you're listening to what it sounds like right now. So hopefully it's good, but we'll know later. All right, one second. So the Hero 9 has a mic right here and right here. I grabbed a 10-pack of wind muffs from Amazon, popped them on the GoPro. It was actually pretty easy. There we go. Now let's go outside and test it out. All right, well, here is a test. So now you can hear it. Just kind of walking. I just want to be casual and moving around like this. Beautiful Brisbane here. And so now we have the media mod on here. It has the windscreen that comes with the media mod. And now you can hear the difference. Tell me if you think it's better or worse in the chat. There's no chat. So now the GoPro is naked, and it's actually not that bad. When I did that GoPro Hero 7 versus Hero 9 video, it's funny how many people were like saying, oh, the audio is so much just better just from the GoPro. So, all right, so windscreens are on. This is a test to see how well it does. Just the windscreens, that's it. This is naked, and we are testing it out with the wind. Woo. This is with the media mod on, going a little bit faster so you can hear if there's wind, what it sounds like compared. Now let's go back inside and try the fan test. This is a fan test, so I just wanted to test it out with the fan. This is naked fan test. This is a fan test with the wind muffs. This is a fan test with the media mod. All right, that's it for me. 32nd Thursday. Hope you learned something. I think we got it in time. I'd love to know your thoughts as well. What do you hear? What are you listening from? Are you listening with headphones? Are you listening on your phone, on your computer? What one sounds better? Which method? If you're interested in those little windscreen things, I have links in the description for those. They're pretty cheap on Amazon. And I mean, you can use them probably for a lot of different reasons, so why not just get them?